Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pikamoon token. Ticker symbol is Pika, Pika. This token is live for ICO right now. It says ICO now live by Pika on their webpage. You can find it at pikamoon.io. Now we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, welcome to Pikamoon. Adventure, battle, and evolve in the ultimate play-to-earn metaverse. Obviously, this is a play off of Pokemon and, you know, tokens mooning. And together we have Pikamoon, Pikachu, obviously. Now, it says Pika, one of the fastest growing GameFi tokens in the industry. You can find their webpage at pikamoon.io. They also have a Twitter, and as always, I'll put the Twitter up in the corner of the page here so you guys can easily find this token. Right on their Twitter, you can see that it has a link to their pre-sale there. It says pikamoon.io/buy. You click on that. That'll take you right where you need to go. Pikamoon is an NFT play-to-earn game. It says 19,900 Twitter followers so far. Blue verified checkmark. 470 tweets at Pikamoon Coin on Twitter. Real easy to find. On their webpage, they also have a link tree, Discord, Telegram, Instagram, change the language, metaverse section, blog, token information, full white paper. All over the page, you can find a link to their white paper. You can also find a link to a buy now button that'll take you exactly where you need to go to get this token. Real easy. It says, don't miss out. Join the Pikamoon army to enjoy beautiful rewards. Put on your builder's hat and harness your creative energy to build your small team of monsters in this fantastic NFT play-to-earn game. Become an explorer and tour the 4 mind-blowing regions of the Pikaverse. In your quest, you'll discover unique species, hidden gems, and more goodies waiting to be found in different regions of the Pikaverse. NFT and gaming has never been this fun. By getting Pikamoon, the Pikaverse's native currency, you gain the power to mint a top gem, a free Pika NFT. In addition, your Pikamoon NFT will be used to battle in the game, complete missions in the immersive and sensational Pikaverse, and your adventures will be rewarded with Pika tokens. Don't forget that your Pika tokens comes in handy when you need to purchase valuable items from the marketplace. Now gaming has become a lot more productive, engaging, and exciting. So what are you waiting for? Be an early bird, get as much Pika as possible, and start building your empire. Now they've been featured in different news articles like Space Money, Blockchain Media, and Crypto News Flash. So it says Pika, or the Pikamoon token, as it's sometimes called, is the in-game currency used in the Pikaverse. By earning tokens, you can access rare NFTs, earn mouth-watering rewards, and buy unique items from the Pikamoon marketplace. So the marketplace, it says, join millions of Pikamooners to buy, sell, and trade various categories of assets in the in-game marketplace. Fortify your avatar by getting weapons, spells, and health. Most importantly, get some precious land to start building your massive empire. So Pikaverse, enjoy a whole new world of Pikaverse. Create your empire from scratch and watch it become valuable as it grows. In addition, our team is forming partnerships with top organizations to ensure Pikamoon becomes the best in the industry. Stay up to date with the latest info about the Pikaverse on our social media pages and blog. NFTs, it says the Pikaverse is filled with various kinds of NFTs, and you can be in with a chance for claiming one. Presently, there are 18,012 first generations minted NFTs. Luckily, these NFTs will be gifted to token holders for free. Keep in mind that the NFTs are from the 4 regions in the Pikaverse, and it comes with 4 playing tiers. Also, don't forget that you need to hold Pika tokens to qualify for a free NFT. So they've been audited by CoinSniper, and you can view the PDF of that audit on their page. Their team and partnerships are with Lucky Birds, Ethereum, Transact, and more. They have their team doxed on here. They just have first names though, but it shows like this guy's face, Oscar, and it says game designer. Then their roadmap is on here, starting with the Pikamoon website, white paper, token audit, KYC. Then we got the community, 10,000 whitelist signups, 10,000 Twitter followers, 5,000 members in the Discord and Telegram, 100 ambassadors and influencers, daily games and weekly giveaways, public sale, partnerships, all different partnerships that I just mentioned earlier. Then Metaverse stuff will come out. So game development, documentation, NFTs, Metaverse concepts, storyline and lore, beta battle system, marketplace, Driva map development, and then online gameplay comes out for PvP battles, online matchmaking, online tournaments, pink slip NFTs, and then longevity, centralized exchange listings, community events, community merch, and expansion of the metaverse. So it says play to earn while becoming part of the fastest growing crypto community in the industry. Now you could sign up for a newsletter at the bottom of their page. They do have a KYC too. You can check out their full KYC by CoinSalt Solidity. And if you click buy now, let's see what happens here. So buy now, it'll take you, it says phase 3, 1 Pika equals 0.0006 USD. You can connect your wallet. You can buy with ETH or a credit card. It shows how much is raised. So far, they've raised over $3.5 million. So they sold a lot of tokens so far. They have a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy this token for the pre-sale here. Real easy, real straightforward. How to claim, team doxed, CoinSniper KYC. Still got questions. You can shoot them an email. It's real straightforward. Go over to pikamoon.io. All the information's over there. Check out their full white paper as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.